Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. Ganjam district reported highest 247 new COVID-19 cases. Gajapati, Bhadrak imposed lockdown. Bhubaneswar reports 52 more COVID-19 cases and the tally reached 11,182. Plasma therapy shows positive results in Odisha as 4 out of 6 COVID-19 patients responding well to the treatment. Migrant laborers who had left for their native places after coronavirus lockdown are either returning themselves or being brought back by their employees to project sites in cities, according to industry players. According to recent data by Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority, thousands of workers have been brought back by engineering firms to complete the metro projects. On August 5, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to become a part of perhaps the most momentous event in the history of RSS or the BJP. Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust and the Ram Mandir Nirman Samiti met on Sunday to discuss details about the ceremony and designs for the proposed temple in Ayodhya. The BSF on Sunday early morning seized 64.3 kilograms of heroin being smuggled into the country. Drug peddlers from Pakistan have been using porous riverine zones on the international border to sneak in narcotics into India. A 35-year-old man from Churu has set an example of humanity beyond religion when he flew to Hyderabad on Friday to donate his plasma to a person suffering from coronavirus. Findings from a recent United Nations report states that the number of undernourished and hungry people in India has declined by 60 million over the last decade, and other Asian regions are also experiencing declines. India has the second largest population on earth, but fortunately, even as the population is growing, the amount of food insecurity is falling. In the passing away of Professor C.S. Seshadri, we have lost an intellectual who did outstanding work in mathematics. His efforts, especially in algebraic geometry, will be remembered for generations. The Prime Minister wrote on Twitter, "Condolences to his family and admirers. Om Shanti," PM Modi said. Filmmaker Rajat Mukherjee, best known for directing Manoj Bajpayee's terror road and romantic thriller Pyar Tune Kya Kiya, passed away due to kidney ailments on Sunday. He was in his late 50s. Amid the ongoing tensions with China, top Air Force commanders will meet this week to discuss the situation of the LAC with China in eastern Ladakh and rapid operational station of the Rafale combat aircraft arriving later this month. The top commanders will meet this week for the 2 days commanders conference starting from July 22nd, where they will deliberate on a range of security issues, Indian Air Force officials told. On hold for the past 2 months, the fate of this year's T20 World Cup will be up for a decisive round of deliberation when the ICC board meets virtually on Monday, with the BCCI in India hoping for a postponement to ensure that IPL can go ahead. The global event is supposed to be held from October 18 to November 15 in Australia, but the country's cricket board had in May itself expressed its inability to host amid the second surge of COVID-19 cases in the state of Victoria. Thank you for watching, and please visit our website www.karwakispeaks.com for more updates, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.